Hello everybody, it is time to start the 2021 Carrier 3.5 ton central AC unit up for the 2026 cooling season. Gonna do the usual. There's the tools I'll be needing. I'll go ahead and check the capacitor. Of course, vacuum it out. And then do the wet work, cleaning the condenser coil and cleaning up the unit, and then giving it a coat of wax. So hopefully these microphones are going to cut out some of the wind noise today. We'll get a before look, what we're looking like in there. A little bit of debris. Not too bad, not too bad. Get that vacuumed out, and then look like we got some plant life in there. So I'll have to figure out where that's coming in and get that out of there. So definitely don't want vines growing in there. First thing to do before starting, of course, is cut the power. Of course, the thermostat's off. Everything's good in there. Well, let's get started in the business end. Looks to be a tiny bit dirty in there, but that's all right. I see an issue already. Got a burnt wire. So I think we've got a capacitor issue. So that's why it's always good to look things over. That's gotten warm, so may have to make a new wire there. Not liking the looks of that. See what I'm talking about there? I thought towards the end of the season this thing was sounding kind of off, so perhaps that's the reason why. So we may be getting a new capacitor. I happen to have one in the hoard, but I'll go ahead and test it. Go ahead and short everything out. Yeah, I'm just really not happy with how that looks. I'll just go ahead and snap a picture. So make sure everything is reconnected like it should be. That's a shame about that wire. But that's the way she goes. Let's get to removing the rest of them. See what we got here. Don't know where I could set this to see the reading. We may just have to point the camera down and do the best I can. So I'm thinking that's visible on the screen. We'll go to the fan first. Should be 5 microfarads. It's 4.9. And then the compressor, 43.5. It should be 45. So we're close on being out of tolerance there. What is our tolerance? 6%. We're getting into the season where we're going to have company on the regular, and that's why it's good to check this stuff out, because I guarantee you it would quit on the hottest day when the house was full of people. Here's my replacement capacitor. I reckon I can go ahead and test it before I put it in. Let's do that. Okay. Let's test the replacement. That looks a little better. And the fan, that looks pretty darn good. And one more time. The 45.5. That's the original. A little out. And the fan's just a touch out. So they're two different diameters, unfortunately. So I'll just have to do the best I can here. Just have to squeeze it a little bit. It'll be okay. Let's get the new one in there. Don't like that, but at some point I'll get happy with it. That may be it right there. Get that kind of oriented like the original one was. And there we have it. That'll have to do because that's the size I've got. So we got the fan and that common that burned up. Got the hard start. That's actually feeling a little loose. Had to do this same thing on JK18's 2-ton ream. Had some loose connections here and there. Alright, got all my wires connected and got that strap on there where that could be tightened up a little bit more, but we're getting there. Get into the cleaning next.